Hi everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and welcome back to this course, Embedding Google Drive and Other Web Contents into Author. I am Zainal Abidin bin Sayadi, your instructor. So in this video, I'm going to demonstrate to you how we can embed some web contents from different platforms, and my focus would be YouTube, Facebook, Slideshare, Twitter posts, and Instagram. Okay, now we are in YouTube. So let's say this is the video that we are going to embed into Author. Okay, so I link two tabs here. Okay, the source in which the YouTube, and also preparing the space for Author. Right. Okay, so we need to go to YouTube, and then let's say this is the video teaching online using Google Jamboard. Okay, this is from Abdul Karim. So we want to share this or embed this video into our Author. So just click share, and then there are many ways in which we can share. So this is the one that we are going to choose, which embed. Right, so just click here. This is the code we need to copy. Okay, now we go back to Author. Okay, so I'm going to open up in share or embed this the video into stream. Okay, this is stream. So I just click on new post. Okay, so this is the editor. By now you must be familiar with this one. So we can add something here. We can write something here. Okay, YouTube. Okay, it can be anything. Okay, explanation. All right, and then we go to this source. Okay, and then we paste Control V. Then we go back to to see the result whether it is correct or not. You just click on the source once again. So now it appears. So we can continue with our editing. For example, okay, center. Alright. So, and then we post this. Okay. Right. So this is the one. Okay, we already embedded YouTube video into Author. Then when students click, okay, it will be played in the environment of Author. Okay, so that is a simple one. Okay, simple, easy. Just go to YouTube and then get the embed code of the video, and then we paste into the stream.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, so
and hello
after that we
everyone.
can continue with
Abdul Karim alias.
okay.
The topic of the
Okay, and now we move on to another web-based content in which usually we use that in our classroom. Okay, that is presentations from Slideshare. So this is in Slideshare. So this is how we can embed. Okay, let's say this is the one that we are going to share with students. Okay, guidelines on clinical management of COVID-19. Okay, we go down a little bit here, and there is a button share. So we just click share, and we have a few codes here. Embed code. Okay, this is for WordPress. Okay, this is for the link. So what we need is only the embed code. So we just click over here, and then we actually can resize, okay, how it will appear in our author, and also we can also whether we want to from which slide, okay, we want to start. So let's say we from the first slide, we just highlight this and then right click, we just copy. Alright, so once we have copied that, okay, once again we go to author, okay, new post, or add notes in assessment or learning material or in activities. Alright, so you can write something here, some explanation perhaps, okay, and then to insert the slide share just now, you just click on the source here, and then we paste the embed code. Then once again we click on the source, okay, so it can be played from, can be viewed, okay, from this author, right? And then don't forget to click on the button push. Okay, so now it is ready. Okay, so this is how students can see. It can be viewed, okay, slide by slide. Okay, so that is how we embed Slideshare. Okay, first we choose this the presentation that we want to use, and then we click on the share button here, and then we copy the embed code, and then we go back to the author and paste in the editor using the source button just now. Okay, and next is embedding Facebook status into author. Okay, so this is a little bit tricky actually, because not all posts or all videos can be embedded. It depends on the setting of the Facebook of that person. Okay, so this is my page. Okay, and so let's say I want to share this. Okay, so just click here. Okay, click these three buttons, three dots here on the top right of the post. Okay, and then we'll try to find the embed, okay, link here. Okay, embed here. So meaning, okay, this post can be embedded. Okay, we try to look at this, for example. Okay, and one more thing, it should be a public post, not private. Okay, so this is a sign of public. Okay, here, okay, the embed link is not here. So meaning this post, although this is public, but still it cannot be embedded. I'm not so sure how or why. Okay, there are different sets. Okay, perhaps, okay, the person here, Mr. Zaid Ali Al-Sagaf, and he posted this, okay, he did not allow us to embed. Alright, I don't remember whether, okay, there was a setting when I posted this. So again, okay, this is how we can embed. Okay, try to find, when we click on the three dots here, try to find this embed. Now click on the embed button. Okay, so when we click on the embed button just now, okay, over here, a new tab will be open in our browser, and there will be a code generator here, and the post appears. Okay, so you can include full post, meaning the description of the post, or, okay, for example, this one I untick this include full post, so there's no description here. But when I include tick here, okay, all the descriptions are there. all right, even okay, how many likes, how many conversations, how many people share this. All right, so the rest, okay. Next we need to click on get code here. All right, and then okay, there are two types of code here. One is JavaScript SDK, another one is iframe. So we will choose iframe, okay, and then highlight on these codes, copy, and then we go back to author, we create new post, okay, in the editor page, okay, we can embed this by clicking on the source button here, and then we paste. Okay, now it is there, right? Then we post. Okay, so this is how students will be able to see, okay, the post. But when we click on this post, it will bring us to a new tab, okay, okay, the Facebook page, okay. So you cannot see everything here, but at least when we find some useful contents to be shared, okay, we can embed here, and then it will be okay brought to the original page. Then in this case it is Facebook.